Hey. Team Fortress 2. Fortress Team 5. Yeah.
Competition begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission begins in 60 seconds.
Teleport. Bam! Dispenser going up.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Moving out. Come on, pow!
Mission begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sentry going up.
Let's stop that freaking thing!
Stop shooting my dispenser. Do the sassy.
Sentry down.
Uh-oh. Okay, they have a guy that I have
Dispenser going up.
Oh my god, they're everywhere. This is fucking. They have like three snipers. Oh my god. They have like 3 HUDs inside. I don't know why I'm not recording this with the in-game recorder that exists, the demo player. And instead using OBS. But you know.
Thanks for the ride, partner.
Oh! Well, damn. They got some momentum. But I can push them back. I am the engineer from Team Fortress 2. And a thing. That's a lovely day.
The payload is nearing a checkpoint.
God damn that.
Medic.
I
teleport there.
Enemy has received additional time.
Uh-oh. Okay. That's it. They didn't accept my apology. Maybe I should switch classes. I think I'm higher than this right now. We got a soldier? Yeah, that's the rocket. We got a soldier, hey! Nice. I didn't, but it's fine. Because the spy got him. Everyone knows, when in doubt, hope for the spy to get him with the gun. Damn. I slightly misjudged my abilities. That's fine. Because Sassy is going to lead us to victory. Look at Sassy. He's Sassy with the panic attack. He's using the best gun in the game. He's using my exact loadout, bro. See, everyone knows that the panic attack is good. Panic attack, bro. Whoa. A medic! Doi! Fucking stock medic. Okay.
Go on, get. Moving out.
You what? Great. Okay.
You failed.
Yeah. There's a reason I have 3,943 deaths. Coordinate push on my bit. Go damage! Damage, get him! Damage, kill the medic! Yes! Damage, do it! Yeah! Erebus.
Building is erecting a dispenser.
Come on! Shit, bro, I really need to stop being so aggressive with that dispenser. I really want to make this here. Oh shit, someone. Alright, sentry! Make it into the sentry! on, Minnie. You can do this. Whee! God, can I?
Sentry down! Sentry pow!
Oh, no. Okay, I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Fucking asshole, bro.
Dispenser going up.
Okay then. Okay, so fuck me then. So fuck me then, huh? Yeah.
I'm moving this. Go on, get it.
Fuck is your problem, bro?
Sentry down!
That did nothing to help you at all. You're just really disliked by the dispenser. Damn, man.
Building this pow! Dispenser going up.
Okay. Okay. There's no way that I really hope that wasn't. Are we sure that Erebus is an aimbot? Maybe it just sucks. I don't know. I know a lot about sucking. 'Cause I do. I suck a lot. I'm not sure if I need to right now. It would make it easier for us.
Moving out.
You know, what happened, bro? When I joined, this was looking like an absolute roll, dog.
Transmission ends in 2 seconds.
Building the
Oh, brother.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Sentry, back.
I am the greatest player of all time.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Y'all get along.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Yes! Oh, that's great. Come on, man. Come on, you can do this. Yes.
Victory.
Yes. Before I lost, well, before we won, I dominated this spot because I built the funniest engine. Oh, that's great. Oh. That's awesome. I love that. Okay. I really like this shenanigans.
Competition begins. 60 seconds.
I beat the death by a hair. A ham, Arthur. A ham.
Bam.
Hey. That's a bad guy.
Get ready.
Beat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission begins in 60 seconds.
Building a sentry. Teleport coming right up. Erecting a dispenser. Back.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Backing up. Bam.
Mission begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's nice of them.
Sentry. Sentry down.
What if? What if? Hold on. What if?
Sentry going up.
Come on, you can do this. Yes, you're the GOAT. You're the GOAT. Come on, you're the GOAT. Yeah. Oh, I think I'll be the Spencer, but that's fine. That's fine. We got the fucking GOAT, bro. We got the GOAT in our going. The fucking GOAT. Greatest demo of all time.
Dispenser going up. Dispenser down. Dispenser going up.
Oh, gotcha.
Dispenser down.
No, no way. They didn't see, bro. They didn't see? Okay, they saw. Hungry hippo. What are you doing, bro? You're a hungry hippo? You're doing good, bro? Epic leopard print.
Thanks for the ride, partner.
I really delayed. We can play Battle Engineer.
Dispenser.
God damn it. Burger King, how could you? I thought we were friends. Come on. Oh no, he got me with the gun. The gun that Spy has, because Spy has a gun. Damn. That inescapable fact. Oh, God damn it.
The enemy has received
really can't hit back
additional
that low.
time.
I don't know what he was trying to do, if I'm being completely and totally honest with you. Damn, I really suck at this game. I got the drop on him. I could have gotten far. No, no, the dispenser. Barbecue. I think I might just. I think I should probably. I don't want to.
The payload is nearing a checkpoint.
Erect. Sentry going up.
Come on, come on.
Sentry
Itsy bitsy spider came up the water spout. Then all the soldiers came in and flushed the spider out. Oh shit, but I caught 2 guys. Which, yeah, it's nice, it's pretty cool.
Everyone, I am on fire!
They're on fire, bro. God damn it. You're a bozo, bro. You're a bozo. Ah, damn it. I haven't been able to set up the move. Yeah. I feel like I got that momentum. Yeah! Ball, you did it! Ball, you got a backstab! Oh, that's awesome. I'm so proud of you, bro.
Sentry, pow! Dispenser going up.
Ah. Not my proudest moment. Aw, someone else destroyed the goddamn dispenser! My goddamn dispenser! Like that one, Uncle Clunk voice line. Don't go Crayola. Like, I want one of them.
Backing up.
I got myself a pretty decent rallying point. Thanks. I know, because,
Ain't that a cute little gun?
sometimes you just need a little less gun. Sometimes, you know what's funny? On a meat shot. Damn. Got good, bro. But you might have gotten good, but I have gotten better.
Building a pow.
God, I love my dispenser. And remember, don't smoke Crayola. Oh, dang! Fly like an eagle into the future. Now, what's your name? What's your name? Upgrade? Upgrade. I'm trusting you. Make sure something bad happens. My God bless American country, and my even more God bless American. Oh, I'm really lucky that this sentry did not accidentally shoot me. Oh my God.
Sentry! Building the sentry.
You can just provide a good rallying point, aka the dispenser. You can make sure your team wins. I got my big dispenser and my little dispenser. I got faith in you guys. Go, my soldierlings. I mean, it's completely worth it to make sure that your mini center stays alive. The more contested, the better, right?
You're all right.
I really need to stop overextending. I'm a battle engineer, not a scout. Oh, and now there's 15 seconds worth of I can't save my sentry. Big Pharma. Medic.
Much obliged.
Require assistance.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Oh well. It's not like that's a big issue.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
Dispenser going up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overtime. Victory. Mission begins in 60 seconds.
What the fuck? That is. No, 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 wait, 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 no, 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 wait, wait. Aww.
Mission begins
God
in 30
damn it!
seconds.
I'm not playing this. I'm gonna freak you. I don't wanna play. I wanna play on defense. I already played on defense. So we're gonna play some.
Sentry!
Let's move it up.
I wonder if I can try to lure someone.
We have captured the control point.
Come on, yeah, do it. Yeah, do it, yes! 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 A lot of good my dungeon that gun did me actually. God. Fine. Nothing me anymore. That means smiling constantly by Satan.
Alert. Our control point is being captured.
Dispenser going up.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Manny!
We have lost the control point.
So funny. Or just a counter. A full-on level 3. Why do you have a full, like, enough feeling? Is that fat magic? It wouldn't have that fat magic. It might. It really might. I'm not even gonna fuck with you. It genuinely might. Yeah.
I'm moving this.
Yeah! I gotta come. My sleep suit is now comfortable. I just got this yesterday. Nice, that's epic. What did I get? Oh, I was like, do I get a reward?
We have secured the control point. Alert. Our control point is being captured. Mission ends in 30 seconds. We have lost the control point.
Bro. I have more bullets than they have ammo. They have metal. Yeah! America! Yeah.
Mission ends in 30 seconds. Mission ends in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Service time.
Not having fun. Funny.
We have captured the control. Alert.
Be fun.
Our control point.
Pyro Night.
Our control
Pyro
point
Night would
is
be
being
really
captured.
fun.
Alert. The control point is being captured. Alert. The control point is being contested.
I unequipped it. Hold on. Not that.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
I know. I know.
Four,
Why don't you have the flock?
3,
I just
2,
never got it.
1.
Oh my god.
You failed. Prepare to compete in 10.
Okay.
What the hell? Stop pushing the car!
Now there's just a 0 at the bottom of my screen. I don't know. I think that might just be a glitch with my HUD. Oh, fuck! I like that clean 10 odd number. Even though, ignore the fact that the panic attack is 107, is 108, not 107, 6, or 5. Scattergun's 105.
The freaking car stop!
Hold on. Look at this. Hey, look at this.
Pushing it!
Oh no! Oh no 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 no! This spat. Okay.
What the hell? Stop pushing the car!
Yeah, I don't think you'll talk about the fact this can get rid of friends. That's funny to think about. Shotgun heavy, shotgun heavy, shotgun heavy.
Yeah, heavy! Yeah!
The bomb is nearing the checkpoint.
Take that! Und that! Earth is not moving! Ah!
I don't know why I did that. It didn't help anyone at all. What the fuck was that? What the? That was like a fucking Gary's Mod thing or some shit. It was just he was there and then he wasn't. Your guaranteed crits are no match for my random crits. Oh fuck. Okay. Dance immolation. Oh my god. Oh my god, why am I yelling? Why is heavy? Why is it so
Fire!
Okay, no way, I'm sorry.
Oh, watch out, Nita.
We must
Wrong
push
time.
the cart!
I'm out. Oh shit. No, Nita.
Taint Waxer 45. I don't think I've seen a lot of funny names, but nothing quite as funny as Taint Waxer 45.
Oh shit.
What was I getting shot at? Buttercup. No, who disengage? This is my second. My other one is banana heavy. I don't have certain items because I never crafted them. Bob. Whatever, I got the med drop. Only in Dreams 22. You know what, I do like pondering dreams. That's an interesting thing. Dreams, you know, like, when you think about dreams, you think about your subconscious telling you what to feel, or how to act, or what you did wrong in your past. It's an interesting thing. Unaware. Like, painfully unaware, bro. What else did I Osterlar. What? What does it mean? What does that mean, huh? Osterlar.
Stop! We must push, little car!
Oh, medic, my goat.
You think that the critting hand is the other hand whenever the few models are flipped? That would be neat. I don't know why I didn't duck behind cover to continue to attack. No, I was locked in, like, shoot. I might end this recording here. See you. Whee!